Hello children, today we are going to study social studies. In social study, last 2 weeks we are studying about clothes we wear, the lesson 3. And you all remember the previous week what you all learned is about the special dress and the traditional dress. Who wear the special dress? Who go to the special work? They wear the special clothes, uniform, and the students also wear the uniform. And what of the traditional dress? In our country, different peoples are wearing different costumes that we learned in the previous class. And last 2 weeks we are learning the clothes we wear, cotton clothes, woolen clothes, and rainy season, umbrella, raincoat, everything. You are thorough, I think. Today we are going to study all the book exercise plus the question answers. We are going to learn some important spellings and book exercise and the question answer. Now see the spelling words. First spelling. What's the first spelling is given? Clothes. C-L-O-T-E-T-H-E-S. Clothes. This is the Roman number 1 spelling words. Clothes. What's the first spelling? C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Number 2. What is the spelling number 2? Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. What's the spelling for summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Number 3. This one you all done like a missing letters. Can you remember? S. What is the spelling this one? What word? Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Once again. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Number 4. What is the spelling of number 4? Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Once again number 4. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Number 5. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. Number 6. Raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. Number 7. Umbrella. What's the spelling for umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What's the spelling for umbrella? You all like to carry umbrella in the rainy days? Yes. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Number 8. Umbrella is made up of and raincoat is made up of rubber. What is the spelling for rubber? R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. Number 9. What is the spelling for number 9? Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. Read spelling you know now? R-E-A-D. Read. If you put T-H, thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. Number 10. Uniforms. What's the spelling for uniform? U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S. Uniforms. U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S. Uniforms. Number 11. Special clothes. Number 11. Special clothes. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special clothes. What's the spelling for special clothes? S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. special clothes. Number 12, traditional dress. Traditional dress. Number 12, traditional dress. TRADITIONAL. Traditional dress. DRESS. Traditional dress. Number 13, country. 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 Our country, we have many states. Number 14 is states. 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 Number 15, costumes. COSTUME. 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 Next we are going to learn the fill in the blanks. Now children, fill in the blanks. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Dash clothes absorb the sweat. Which clothes absorb the sweat? Which clothes? Cotton clothes. What's the spelling for cotton? COTTON. Cotton. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat. Number 2, we wear dash clothes in winter. We wear dash clothes in winter. What clothes we wear in winter? Woolen. What's the spelling for woolen? WOOLLEN. Woolen. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Number 3, we get wool from the dash. We get wool from where? We studied no? Yes. Sheep. From where we get? Sheep. 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 We get wool from the sheep. Number 4, we use an dash on rainy day. We use an dash. What you will use while going to on rainy day outside is umbrella. An umbrella. What's the spelling for umbrella? UMBRELLA. Umbrella. We use an umbrella on rainy day. Umbrella spelling UMBRELLA. Umbrella. Number 5, a special dress for a special job is called. What do you all wear to school? Is uniform. What is the spelling for uniform? UNIFORM. Uniform. What's the spelling for uniform? UNIFORM. Uniform. A special dress for special job is called uniform. Now children, in Roman number 3, write yes or no. Write yes or no. While I am reading itself, you have to think and you itself tell and say the answer. When I am writing, you should know that what you are thinking, that is correct or wrong. Long ago, people covered themselves with clothes. Long ago, in ancient time, people covered themselves with clothes. Clothes? No, they covered themselves with the leaves. So the answer is no. Number 2, we wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. Yes, we wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain to protect us from the rain. Number 3, woolen clothes keep us cool in summer. Woolen clothes keep us cool in summer. Woolen clothes keep us cool or warm? In summer it keep us cool? No. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter, not in summer, and it will not keep us in cool also. Number 4, a nurse wears uniform to work. A nurse wears uniform to work? Yes. A nurse wears uniform to work. These are the yes or no questions. Once again, I'll read word by word. Long ago, people covered themselves with clothes. No. Number 2, we wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. Yes. Woolen clothes keep us cool in summer? No. A nurse wears uniform to work? Yes. In Roman number 4, answer the following. Roman number 4 is answer the following. Number 1, question number 1. Write 4 things that clothes keep us safe from. Write 4 things that clothes keep us safe from. Answer is, see here in the question itself, you can write half of the answers are in the question. Clothes keep us safe from. Got it? Clothes keep us safe from. What are the 4 things? Heat. What is the spelling for heat? H-E-A-T. Heat. Eat. Eating, no? E-A-T. Eat. If you put H, heat. Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Cold. Old. Old people know? O-L-D. Old. If you put C, O, cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. I-N in you are learning. So R-A put rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. A-N-D and wind. Wind. When you go to running race, wind. W-I-N. Wind. If you add D, wind. Okay. Once again we'll read. Clothes keep us safe from heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. R-A-I-N. Rain. And A-N-D and wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Now we'll go to the next question. Number 2. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Why do we wear? We. Here also say half of the answers are in the question. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Still winter? It's in the question. To keep us warm. To keep us warm. Once again, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter to keep us warm. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. U-S as warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. The third question is, write the names of 2 people who wear uniforms to work. Once again, I'll read the question. Write the names of 2 people who wear uniforms to work. We'll see any 2 people. Often we used to go to hospital, we used to see the nurse. So I wrote nurse. And often we used to see the policeman. So this only often we are seeing. So nurse. What is the spelling for nurse? N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. Okay, once again. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. The fourth question. Fourth question. What is a costume? What is a costume? We have seen the many people. Our country, many states are there. We have seen and we studied. Okay. People living in different places wear different clothes called costumes. People living in different places wear different clothes called costumes. What's the spelling for costume? Costumes. Costume. Once again, we'll read. People living in different places wear different clothes called costumes. The next is in your book, in your social study book, in page number 23, there's one activity. In page number 23, there's one activity. I'll read the topic. What activity is that? If you have a book, you also can take. Write the first letter of each picture. What? Here no picture you're seeing. Yes, here is a picture. Write the first letter of each picture. You will get the names of some clothes. You will get the names of some clothes. Okay, now can you see the picture? Can you see the picture? Yes, what picture is this? Is spider. Spider, spelling you all know? S-P-I-D-E-R. S. Spider spelling starts with S. Spider spelling starts with S. Next, what picture is this? Is you're allowed to eat apple. An apple. What's the spelling for apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple. What's the first letter of apple? A. A. Next, what picture? Rabbit. What picture is this? Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. What the first letter of rabbit? R. Next, can you see? Elephant. What's the spelling for elephant? What picture is this? Elephant. What's the spelling? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. What's the first letter of elephant? E. What's the first letter of elephant? E. Next, what picture? It's look like orange. It's look like orange. No, it's an egg. Egg. Egg spelling you all know. E-G-G. Egg. So first letter of egg is E. So what word do you got here? What word? What cloth name? What cloth name? What cloth name? Saree. What's the spelling for saree? S-A-R-E-E. Saree. Can you find out this one and send me? No, I will teach this one now. You write in your book what is given. You write and you send me through the WhatsApp. Now see, what picture is this? What picture? Fan. What picture? Fan. What's the spelling for fan? F-A-N. Fan. F. Fan. What picture is this? Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. So first letter of rose is R. What is this? Orange. And orange. Orange spelling O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And orange. So orange starts with O. The words orange starts with O. Car. What's the spelling for car? C-A-R. Car. The first letter of car is C. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. The first letter of kite? K. The first letter of kite is K. Now what dress name, cloth name you got it here? We'll join and write F-R-O-C-K. Frock. F-R-O-C-K, frog. First one we got sari. The second one, by writing the first letter of these pictures, we got a frog. This you do it in your book and send me. Children, this is your assignment. It's nothing, very easy. Don't be scared. Assignment is very easy one. Write the words given in the box. See, the words are given in the box in the correct column. These words you are write it in the correct column. Once I'll read the words. What are the words in the box? Warm, cool, rubber, cotton, raincoat, woolen. Warm, cool, rubber, cotton, raincoat, woolen. Now what are these words? And let's see the topic in each column. Summer. Summer, what will you use? Warm, it will be rubber, cotton, raincoat. What is that thing? And winter. In winter season, what will you use? And how it will be? And rainy season, what are the things? This you have to write in the rough note. And what are the notes? We studied the book exercise and the question answers. You write it in the rough note and learn. Don't use your new notes. We'll tell you when to write it in the new notes. Okay, children. The social, in social, lesson number 3. Today it's going to finish. You have learned more in this lesson. Study the question answers, fill in the blanks, spellings, and the activity I given in the book. If you are not having a book, at least what is given in this video, you try to do it in the rough note. And everything, this only this assignment I want you to send me through the WhatsApp. Notes and all, write it in the rough note and learn. Start learning. Don't waste your time and study well. Thank you, children.